academic studies.
Thomas A. Sangma, Speaker of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, chaired a review meeting and conducted an inspection today of the new Assembly building at Mawdiangdiang. The reviewed meeting focused on assessing progress and ensuring timely completion. While noting significant advancement, the Speaker acknowledged the project is slightly behind schedule. He expressed satisfaction with recent improvement in workforce availability, addressing earlier concern about worker shortages.
One single arch should be there. Yes. One flat arch. One of these should be here. So we decide. So I think we find that the progress is good. Though a little slow, but the progress is overall progress is very good. So we are very satisfied. I have called various departments like the forest department and the horticultural department to see that the entire premises of this complex are made green as much as possible.
In a press briefing yesterday, National People's